Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve question number 20 of HackerRank SQL Challenge, which is employee salaries. So the question is, write a query that prints a list of employee names for employees in employ having a salary greater than $2,000 per month who have been employees for less than 10 months. Sort your results by ascending employee ID. So we have a employee table, and in this we have to retrieve all the employee name uh, whose salary was greater than $2,000 and who have been employees less than 10 months, and we have to sort our result by ascending employee ID. So here we will write select name from employee table name, where the first filter is where salary is greater than 2000 and months who has been employed for less than 10 months. So months is less than 10, and finally we have to order it by employee ID. Order by employee ID ascending. So the default is always ascending, so we can click on this run button, and here we can see that our query is right, and finally we can click on this submit code. And thank you for watching this video.